A very good morning to all the students. I'm your SSC teacher Shipra Verma, and today we will start at chapter 1 When, Where, and How. Introduction. Medieval period in India spans from 8th to 18th century CE. Medieval period India में 8th से 18th century तक रहा. The period between 8th to 12th century CE is the transition period. This period witnessed the rise and fall of empires in different parts of the subcontinent. इस period में बहुत से empires different parts में आए. In the north, there were incursions from across the mountains, which led to the emergence of the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. The southern empires of the period included those of Cholas and the Vijayanagar. It was also during this period that the consolidation of Hindu society took place. इसी टाइम पे हिंदू सोसाइटी भी एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग हो रही थी. With the help of the Bhakti movement, while Islam underwent a reform with the rise of the Sufi movement. हिंदू सोसाइटी भक्ति मूवमेंट की वजह से स्ट्रॉन्ग हो रही थी, बल्कि इस्लाम सूफी मूवमेंट की वजह से हो रहा था. मिडिवल पीरियड ऑल्सो विटनेस द फॉल ऑफ बुद्धिज़्म एंड जैनिज़्म. दो नए रिलीजन्स भी यहाँ पर देखे जाते हैं, बुद्धिज़्म और जैनिज़्म. देयर वॉज अ फर्दर डिक्लाइन इन द स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन अराउंड दिस टाइम. This period also saw the emergence of new patterns of towns, which were very different from those that existed in ancient India. Nomenclature. Nomenclature means किसी का भी नाम रखना. India has one of oldest continuous cultural traditions in the world. In ancient times, that India was known as Jambu Dvipa. It literally means the land of rose apple trees. Even one of the Ashokan inscriptions refers to India as this name. अशोकन इंक्रिप्शंस में भी इंडिया को इसी नाम से बताया गया है. इंडिया वॉज ऑल्सो नोन एज भारतवर्षा. इन द ऋग्वेदा द टर्म भारता रेफर्स टू द मेन ट्राइब विच टुक पार्ट इन द बैटल ऑफ द 10 किंग्स. ऋग्वेद में भारत नाम से एक ट्राइब के बारे में बताया गया है. द एरिया इनहेबिटेड बाय देम वॉज कॉल्ड द भारतवर्ष. इन द अवेस्ट इंडिया इज नोन एज हेप्ता हिंदू विच इज़ इक्वेलेंट टू ऋग्वेदास सप्ता सिंधु. India also known as Aryavrata, which referred to the Gangetic Plains and its peripheries, the region which witnessed the emergence of the earliest kingdoms and republics. In 1017, Al-Biruni travelled to the Indian subcontinent and wrote a book on it called Tariqa-e-Hind. Al-Biruni ने हिंदी और इंडियन सोसाइटी के बारे में एक बुक लिखी जिसका नाम था तरीक़-ए-हिंद. Under the rule of the Arab, Turks, Afghans and Mughals in the medieval times, the region came to be known as Hindustan. मुगल्स के, अरब्स के टर्म में हमारी कंट्री को हिंदुस्तान का नाम दे दिया गया. It mostly comprised the land beyond Sindhu River and North India. Political conditions. Harshvardhana was the last ruler of northern and central India, while Pulakeshin was the last imperial ruler of South India in the ancient period. Several regional kingdoms rose throughout the Indian subcontinent. उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे regional kingdoms Indian continent में उत्पन्न हो रहे थे. They were constantly battling with each other over control of larger and richer territories. वो एक दूसरे से लड़ाई करते रहते थे बड़ी territories, बड़े देश, बड़ी जगहें हड़पने के लिए. Eventually there emerged 3 points of power: the Rashtrakutas of Deccan, the Gurjara Pratiharas of Malwa and the Palas of Bengal. India was fragmented into over 100 regional kingdoms and small principalities. There was no military power in the country that could keep the warring princes under check and coordinate their activities against foreign invaders. The country witnessed some political stability with the advent of the Delhi Sultanate in 1206 CE. कुछ stability country में दिखाई दी जब दिल्ली सल्तनत के rulers आए. Social organization and attitude. During the Sultanate rule, influence of Islam became visible. Hindus began to learn Persian, the official language of the rulers. The Persian words found their way in their vocabulary. Women were mostly confined to the 4 walls of the house. Child marriage was a prevalent custom among all sections of society. Bonded labor was prevalent. उस टाइम में women को ज़्यादा आज़ादी नहीं थी, तो इसलिए वो घर में ही रहा करती थी. चाइल्ड मैरिज बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन थी और बॉन्डेड लेबर, बहुत से लोगों को बंधुआ मजदूर बना के रखा जाता था.